The courtroom rises as Judge Vanderby takes the bench. Her voice is steady, firm, and ready for the truth. Case JVB 1049, the Paul case. Everyone takes their seat, but tension hangs in the room. A father is here not for justice for himself, but for the 2 grandchildren he's struggling to raise alone.
Judge Vanderby Court is now in session. Judge, this is case number JVB 1049, Paul case.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You all may be seated. Mr. Paul, you brought this case before the court. What's going on?
Well, Your Honor, my daughter, who's living some type of life that I have no idea what it is, she drops her kids off every day and does what she wants to.
Mr. Paul steps forward. His voice is tired, worn by months of responsibility. He explains how his daughter drops her children off every single day, gives no money, no food, no supplies. Just 2 kids he loves, and a retirement check that's disappearing. Right? The judge listens closely, acknowledging his service and the sacrifice he continues to make.
And doesn't leave any money for food or for any kind of things that the kids need. So I need some help financially because she doesn't give me anything. I mean, just me giving my money out of my pocket that I retired with. So I need some help, seriously.
Okay, and where did you retire from?
From the school district.
Okay. How long were you there?
20 years.
Okay, great. Thank you for your service.
Thank you.
And thank you for taking in your daughter's kids because they could be a number of places, but thankfully they're with a grandparent. Ma'am, what do you have to say for yourself?
The judge turns to the mother. Her answer is simple, but troubling. Yes, she drops them off every day. Yes, she leaves them with her father. And yes, she sees no issue. The judge cuts through the excuses immediately. The courtroom shifts. The judge's tone grows sharp. Every day? You always have something more important than your kids?
First off, let me ask this question. Is what he just said true?
I mean,
It's a yes or a no. Is what he just said true?
Yes, it's true.
What's wrong with you?
There's nothing wrong with me. It's just stuff I be needing to do, and I need somebody to watch the kids, so I take them over there.
Every day?
Yes, every day. I don't see the issue.
Excuse me. You all will not address each other. You will address me, okay? And I definitely understand Dad's frustration, and I'm going to ask you too.
Pressed for answers, the mother says she does whatever she needs to do for money. The vague explanation raises eyebrows. The judge leans in, a signal that truth is required here. When the mother insists she's just a dabbling, the judge instantly detects evasion. The courtroom feels the pressure rise.
Every day you have something to do that requires you to be away from your kids. How many kids are we talking?
2.
2. You left 2 kids with him? What do you have to do, ma'am, that's so important every day that you cannot have your own kids?
I gotta make money, so.
Doing what? What do you do for a living?
Whatever I need to do, honestly.
Ma'am, what does that even mean?
I do, a little dabble here, a little dabble there, just different stuff.
You know what? You obviously came here to waste my time, and I am not about to play with you.
The father finally speaks up, revealing what he's been hearing from the streets. Stories of his daughter allegedly working the corners, disappearing for days. The mother denies it, blaming gossip. But the judge sees through the chaos. She focuses on one fact. 2 children are being left without proper care, day after day.
What was the last legitimate job that you had?
I was a waitress.
Okay, where?
At a club.
Is that what you call it, waitressing?
Yes, it was waitressing. What else was I doing?
You don't want me to tell you.
I want you to tell me.
She was strolling the streets like a prostitute. I mean, it's like, because you never see her until she dropped the kids off, and then I don't see her for 2 or 3 days.
That's what he heard. He don't know if that's true.
Yeah.
Who told him that? The streets?
I guess so. The streets had to tell him, because
The judge digs deeper. The mother once worked at a club, bringing in $7,000 to $8,000 a month in tips. This is a turning point. The judge decides. If she made that much before, the court will calculate child support based on those earnings. The mother shakes her head, but the judge is unmoved. The mother shakes her head, but the judge is unmoved.
I hear the streets tell the truth, right?
sometimes.
They talk, right?
The streets talk, but sometimes the streets be lying, and that's what they doing at
Well,
this moment.
I don't think they're lying on you now, ma'am. Every day your kids are with your dad? No, ma'am. When you were working at that club, how much money were you bringing home monthly?
Between $7,000 to $8,000 a month.
All right. Okay. And that's all tips?
Yes.
Okay. All right. So what I am going to do is base your child support on that $7,000 a month. So that would bring your yearly salary to...
Then comes another blow. The father reveals she also receives food stamps. Yet none of that help is going toward her kids. The judge's patience is gone. She recalculates. $84,000 yearly income to over $5,500 net. This brings a significant child support obligation. The mother's face twists in disbelief.
$84,000 a year. Yeah, you can shake your head all you want to, but that's exactly what I'm going to do, ma'am. This is extremely disappointing that you leave your kids every day with your dad and you're not giving him any type of financial support. What are these kids on, they receive any type of government assistance or anything?
She gets food stamps every month, and I
no,
don't see
ma'am.
any.
You get food stamps? Where are the food stamps going?
At my house.
Who lives in your house besides you that need the food? Because your kid's over here with your dad. You don't give him any money from those food stamps?
No.
You know what? I'm not about to play with you. So this is what we're gonna do. Salary, $84,000 a year. That brings your gross to $7,000. Your net to $5,508.87, which will make your child support obligation $1,370.
The judge lists the final numbers, over $1,377 a month in support. Then, adding Medicaid reimbursement, the monthly total rises to $1,873. The mother protests, stunned by the figure. But the judge fires back with reality. Her choices created this situation. Her children deserve better.
$7. Now, you said that you were receiving, don't look confused. I don't even want to hear it.
That's too, I can't pay that every month.
You were not making those faces when you were out in those streets.
But
so
I
don't come in
can't.
here trying to make, excuse me, don't come in here trying to make those faces. I am not trying to hear it. I've heard enough.
Your Honor.
And you are in the wrong. Yes, sir.
She has a man living with her too, so just in case you didn't know.
You
that.
don't need to tell her who in my house though, Daddy.
You
like
know
for
what?
real.
Okay.
I'm just telling the truth. It is what it is.
It sounds like
And you're
Daddy
just
telling the truth.
tattletelling.
Well, it sounds like he needs to tattletale on you. Somebody need to. You are ridiculous right now. Sir,
Yes.
she receives food stamps. So I'm assuming there's some Medicaid or something these kids are getting?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. So what I'm going to do is do 9% of that $7,000 for your reimbursement to Medicaid. That comes out to $496. So
The judge challenges the mother's excuses. She reminds her that many parents struggle, but very few leave their children behind every day without support. The mother tries to argue, but the judge stays firm. These kids are her responsibility, and the law will enforce it.
$1,377 plus the $496 reimbursement to Medicaid that make your total monthly child support obligation $1,873.
I don't even know men that pay that much money every month. So why I gotta pay that every month?
I don't know too many women that just take their kids and go drop them off at their parents' house and they have a whole man staying in the house with them.
Mm-hmm.
It's my dad. Y'all act like I dropped them off with anybody.
These are your kids.
The mother accepts the ruling defeated. The judge wishes Mr. Paul a sincere Happy Mother's Day, acknowledging the role he has stepped into. The courtroom quiets. With nothing further, the case is closed. Another example of the court stepping in where a parent stepped out.
Is there anything further, ma'am?
No, I guess I need to go make some money in these streets for that.
Okay, well, you know what? That is your business. As long as these streets pay Pawpaw $1,873 a month in child support. Sir, is there anything further?
No, ma'am. Just Happy Mother's Day to you.
Oh. Well, if there's nothing further, you all are dismissed. Hi guys, it's me. I just wanted to go over what you witnessed in the Paul case. So there was maternal grandfather and mom who was constantly dropping her kids off with dad. In Texas, whomever is the person that is in possession of the children, that is always, in most cases, going to be the person that is entitled to receive child support. Well, what else about this case was interesting to you? Mom really wasn't employed, but you heard her say that she used to work consistently and make $7,000 a month. Well, when you tell the court something like that, they can calculate what your child support should be on a yearly basis and base your child support obligation off of that as well. In addition to the child support, you also heard us talk about Medicaid. Remember, guys, Medicaid is not health insurance as in you pay it through private health insurance or it's paid through an employer. It is a government assistance type benefit, so it must be repaid. So that's why you heard the Medicaid portion she had to repay added to her child support obligation every month.
When a parent neglects their duty, this court will not. These children deserve stability. And today, they finally get it.